Alright, trauma team. It's currently the next day. I'm up early in the morning once again. I'm about to get ready to go ahead and get the bumpers rewrapped, get the satin black with the gray stripes put back on my bumper. So it got them ain't looking like flip-flop mix match type shit. So yeah, man, I'm gonna tap in with y'all as soon as I get to the shop, man, and we get ready to get this process started. I'm gonna show y'all what the bumper look like right quick before I get it wrapped. Yeah, man, so as you can see on the hood, it got the satin black rally stripes with the gray pin stripes. Then if you look down at the bumper, you can see where that shit ain't right there. So that's what we're going to get done today, man. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna tap in when I get there, and we're gonna go through the process together. But before I get on the road, I'm gonna do the famous cold start. So y'all, let's get straight into it.
Patterson takes the field. Decision made by Raheem Morris. He's willing to take it to overtime to try and win it there. Looking for the tie. Patterson. Nails it. 38 apiece. Carolina has 2 timeouts, 46 seconds to go. Arthur Joy. Owner of the Falcons watching from the sideline.
All this is a stalemate up front. That's all you want. And let him use his vision.
16-second possession for Carolina.
Classy.
Hunter is Hecker. Return man Avery Williams. Big kick. Williams goes back together. He's got some room. Tripped as he crosses the 30-yard line. So extra time came off the clock and a flag came down back at the 15. Frank slow to get up.
All right, y'all, so it's currently the next day. I'm about to get ready to show y'all the finished product, what we did when we put the rally stripes back on the car and everything. I couldn't finish recording for y'all yesterday due to the rain. It had started raining real bad, and I just didn't want to be outside in that trying to record and get footage of the car or whatever. So I decided to wait till the next day, and now it's that time. So yeah, we got the wrap on. We finished getting the rally stripes done in the front and in the back. It turned out very well, and I'm gonna just quit running my mouth. I'm gonna get straight to it and show y'all what the finished results look like. Let's get straight to it. All right, y'all. So this is what we got, man. This is what we working with. I decided to delete the silver pinstripes for now. I just want to see how the satin black rally stripes stand on their own for right now. Maybe I'll add them back later. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think and what y'all think I should do. Should I go back with the silver pinstripes, or should I just keep it like this with the satin black by itself? I'm actually digging this look right here. But yeah, man. Let's go around to the back. Let's see what the back look like. Yeah, the sun in the way, but y'all get my drift. Y'all get my drift. Hey, now keep in mind the car dirty as hell. I haven't even washed it since I got it back from the shop, man. With getting the Widebody kit on, I still haven't washed this thing yet. So once I clean it up and get it looking real nice, it's gonna be looking 10 times better than it does right now. This thing dirty right now, but I'm gonna get it right though. It's just cold as hell outside. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for the next video. Y'all let me know down in the comments what mods y'all want to see coming in the near future, man, to Big Blue, man. We out.